Okay, hello everyone. Today is March 10th, 2025, and I wanted to come on here and do a quick trade recap. Just talk about my move, the trade that I took in the market today, um, and yeah, let's go over what I thought was going to happen, my analysis, yada yada yada. So, scroll up to London session here. We have the 90 MA cross over the 20, signifying that we're in a downtrend, although you don't really need these indicators to tell that we're in a downtrend. You can clearly tell from last night we were just trending down. But yeah, anyways, as always, as every day, I mark out the high and the low of the first two candles, first two 5-minute candles, and then we wait patiently for a candle body close above or below the range. So here we had a couple wick outs, which again, we do not get into those. We do not worry about big, huge moves like this. Like this was about a 100-point candle, and I didn't even think about trading it. I mean, it was just you just gotta wait until the candle body close. That's my strategy. That's what I wait for. So we got the candle body close right here below the range, and then immediately as part of my strategy, I enter on the open of the subsequent candle, so the candle right after. But because of this retracement here a little bit, I was kind of hesitant to go into this trade and enter right away. So instead what I did is I went to the 1-minute chart and entered on the retest of the 5-minute low. So I put my stops above the body of the breakout candle, and then waited for price to move back to the downside. So this is what the trade looked like on the 1-minute chart, because this is what I was looking at. Here, we'll go ahead and move these. So we came up here, I got in right here, and then we went into some profit, and then immediately into drawdown. But I did also have this 1-minute fair value gap marked out, so I wasn't really too nervous about price coming up and stopping me out. I was pretty confident with that fair value gap working with the bearish price action. As you have high right here, we have a lower low, lower high, put in a lower low, put in a higher high or lower high, and then I thought we were going to take off to the downside, which, give it a couple of minutes, and we ended up doing that. And this trade was what, six minutes, and then I hit my full take profit. I just went for a quick 1-to-1, nothing too crazy. Could have held for a 1-to-2, would have taken longer, but I just want to go for a quick 1-to-1. It was it was a great trade. Got in a good area, dealt with some drawdown, but you just you trust your analysis when you're in drawdown, and hope price is going to return back to the level, return back to your targets. So that's it for that trade. Again, it was a same thing. Mark out high and low the first two 5-minute candles. Wait for a candle body close. Do not get in. Do not try to play the range. Do not try to do anything. Just wait for the candle body close outside of the range. That's when you get in. That's when you get your entry. And there was another trade that I wanted to go over that I was going to take, and I'm kicking myself not for taking it. But I mean, for not taking it. But that's trading. You can't really get FOMO and whatnot. And I mean, we've just been trending all the way down. But the trade that I wanted to take was the previous week low. This is the previous week low right here, and this was a swing low. And we lost some momentum, and then we started chopping a little bit, and I had a trade idea to take the retest of this swing low right here. Stops above the previous week low, so it's not that risky of a trade, and just go for a 1-to-2, whatever, doesn't matter what I targeted, and almost immediately, like 4-minute trade, it would have hit my take profit. So that's something in hindsight looking back at. I'm happy with taking one trade in the day and taking this winner. I ended the day up, which continues our winning streak, so hopefully we can continue that going into tomorrow. I will be streaming on Kick at 6:30 Pacific Standard Time, at It's Yellram, so same as the YouTube channel. If you want to come join me, that'd be great. But anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys had a good trading day today, and we'll be back at it again tomorrow.